Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anupriya and I hope you guys are doing great, are in good health. So today's video is about my monthly favorites video, and this video is not exactly for the month of May because I've been planning to shoot this video for a long time now. So it has the products which I am obsessed since the starting of the year. So I have picked few products and they are my absolute favorite. So if you guys are interested, then keep on watching, and also you can buy these products because they are available and all the links are in the description box. So don't forget to check that out as well. Also, with all these information, let's get straight into the video, but a small request, please do subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on my Instagram, handle is anupriya_diaries. Link is in the description box. Go and check that out. Okay, so let's begin the video. Okay, so let's begin with one of my favorite products, और ये मैंने लिया था in the month of December. Talking about this one right here. This is an Intex Mini 8 instant camera. Now this look like this. Exactly. Now this one has a camera thing, and this is a button from where you can get it open, and you will get a bling light right here which will indicate that it's ready to take the photos. Now about its film, so the film get right here. It is something you have to buy it separately. Now I have clicked so many beautiful pictures from it, and I think it's a perfect thing for a kind of a person who loves to keep memories in such a way. And yeah, I'm planning to make kind of a board for all the pictures I have taken from this one, but all my pictures are someplace else, so it's not possible right now. But whenever I'll do that, I will share that clipboard with you guys. Okay, now the second product is deodorant. Now I actually kind of a person who loves strong fragrances, whether it's a perfume or deodorant, but in the case of Miniso is a brand which has very mild fragrances things. They keep very light fragrances products, so that is a good part actually if you're trying to buy some kind of skincare or makeup from them. But in the case of deodorant or a perfume, I'm not that kind of a person. So in the month of February, I guess, I had visited a store and I got this beauty. This one is a Miniso deodorant in the variant Passion, and you can easily get this product in the store and also from the Amazon. Amazon has very like a good range of Miniso products, so if you want to try it out, check them out. They are really affordable and they are very nice. I mean, this fragrance is something I can't believe that I got in the Miniso, so it was kind of a very smart deal for me. And if you talk about the price money, it is only for 150 for 150 ml, which is very nice. Right, now the third product I'm going to talk about is my one of the favorite highlighters. Now if you guys know me, I am fan of highlighters. मुझे makeup में सबसे ज़्यादा कुछ पसंद आता है, it is the highlighters. So I want it to be very perfect. वो बहुत ज़्यादा binding होना चाहिए, and I really love those shimmery and glittery highlighters. But recently I have been switching to some matte वाले highlighters also. But the one I'm talking about, it does not have that chunky particles जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा skin पर अलग से दिखाई देते हैं, and it's also not good to feel. So I'm talking about the Maybelline highlighter. Now this one is their Master Chrome Maybelline highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. Now this is my absolute favorite. Now this is the second time I have got this, and it's still I'm using it, and I know I will able to complete it in a time. I mean, I've seen people who are not able to complete their highlighters, but I'm the person who actually complete their. So this is a product if you are looking out for an affordable and a very nice highlighter. You should try this one. It is mind-blowing, guys. mind-blowing. The fourth product which I want to talk about is a body scrub. Now the one that I have is from M Caffeine and it's their coffee variant body scrub. Now this product right here came along with a body oil also, and it was gifted to me by my friend on my birthday, and since then I'm trying this. Now it's been January, I have been trying this, but as I'm a dry skin person, so I don't usually prefer body scrubs that much on my skin and as well as on my body, but in like twice in a week I usually prefer to do it. But when I tried this, it is actually something which will not keep your skin, you know, very itchy or very dry or flaky. If you are a dry skin person, you know what I'm talking about. Now this is a product like after use it will be like little bit drying, but when you will top it with that oil I'm talking about, it's a perfect combination. It will make it very, very smooth, and it's such a nice one. I mean, I really can't tell you guys. I have completed this one and I'm sure that I'm going to make a review video on these two products, so stay tuned for that. So abhi ke liye itna hi ki if you are a dry skin person and if you are looking out for a body scrub, you can try this. It's a very nice one. Okay, now the next product is again from a makeup category and it's a blush. Now I recently in my Nykaa haul shown you that I got a blush from K Beauty. Now I have been using blushes which has like a little bit glitters in it because I liked it in that way, but recently my choices are changing kind of. So I thought that it's a time that I should try matte blushes also. So that's why I got that, and I'm also planning to get another blush from the K Beauty only, but it's time because I'm not planning so much to buy anything these times. So let's see, whenever I'll get it, I will definitely show you guys. But for now, it's K Beauty blush and it's so gorgeous, I can't tell you. Now the packaging is very, very beautiful and the color is right here. You don't have to look it out for like if you have so many blushes from this range, you just get to know this color and you are good to go. Now this one is the Coral Charm. The shade is Coral Charm and it has full size mirror also, and the texture now it's so nice. I mean, it doesn't feel like that a powdery or very rough kind of a thing. So the texture is very nice and it gets really nice on your cheeks. So I have applied this one right now and it is such a peachy coral and pinky sort of in a color, and it's amazing, right? So the next product is some of my favorite books. So ऐसा हो नहीं सकता है कि if I am making a video and it's my favorite videos, तो उसमें favorite products में books ना हो, because you guys know कि I love reading books, I love collecting them, so ये तो होना बनता है. Okay, so the books I'm going to talk to you guys about are these three books right here. Now the one is the Hades, the second one is the Book Thief, and the third one is the collection of horror stories. So basically the collection of horror stories, the book name is The House of Strange Stories and it's from the Ruskin Bond. So I'm a person who loves all kind of genres, but I never tried in these horror genres. So I have been planning to read some books, but I wanted to start from a very initials. This one has like a small stories, the horror stories. It's a kind of a novella and it's actually good one. It's actually good one, trust me. So maybe if you are someone who is interested in these kinds of genres, you should try this book out. Okay, now the second book is the Book Thief, and I think I've shown about this book in one of my Instagram stories or in any videos, or I'm not sure, but do check out my Instagram page. You will get daily updates, so please don't forget to follow me over there. Alright, now this book is so beautiful. I mean, this character is something we usually don't get in books. Now ये एक death के perspective से लिखी हुई book है, so it's really different to read. When you read it, you actually feel you are in different kind of a world, so it's a must read. Now, the third book is the Hades, and I think I have shared my small review on it. It is in one of my March videos or in February, kind of some favorite books if I'm not wrong. this one is one of my favorites. I mean, I read so many books, but this is something I just adore, and it's going to be one of my favorites for so long. So yeah, these were all the books. So now the next thing which I want to talk to you guys about is a small little bag. Now this one I got from Myntra, and I really wanted to shoot a Myntra haul also, but it's in the pending bag. So let's see when it will come to you guys. Okay, so the bag which I have got is from the Mango. Now this is, I used it, as you can see the tag is still on, but I have been so obsessed. I mean, look at it, how classy it looks. This chain right here, it's so beautiful, and it has like a good, quite proper space right here to keep your phones or any papers or anything. So it's kind of in a nice pretty bag, sling bag, and I'm just planning and I'm just hoping that whenever this COVID will over and we'll be able to go out, it's the first thing I'm going to carry it in my outing. So yeah, I just hope that situation gets better. Okay, now the next thing is a toner. Now this toner I've been using from quite a long time, and it's a must buy toner for all skin type people. Now basically this one is from the Plum, and it's the green tea alcohol free toner. So basically green tea are supposed to be said by some people that it can only be used for like oily skin people or acne type people, but I don't think so, because I'm a dry skin person and I really like this toner. It actually, you know, feel very refreshing, and it's really nice. So it's not like that if you are of like dry skin or combination normal, you can't use this one. Must try. It is my second or third bottle, and it's really amazing, especially for summers. If you are willing to buy any toner, go for it without a doubt. The next product is again from the skincare range, and it's one of my favorite moisturizer cream. This one I got in my Nykaa sale, and since I'm using it, it's so mind-blowing. Now the product is Neutrogena Hydro Boost Emulsion. Now this one is a moisturizing cream, and you can see it, I have completed almost half the bottle now. The texture is so beautiful. Again, it is for all skin type, but it is such a miracle for dry skin people. Your makeup will sit so nicely, your skin will actually feel that hydration. You know, you have seen some kind of a products जो कि सिर्फ ऐसा moisturization provide कर देते हैं, like your skin is moist now, you can just apply products and everything, but you don't feel that hydration. But this one will give you. If you are a dry skin person, try this one out. Okay, now the next product is a vitamin C serum. So if you have seen my March empties video, you know that I love vitamin C serums, and the one I've been obsessed with that time was from Dot & Key. This time it's something different. The vitamin C I'm talking about is from Sugandha. So I got this one in March only, if I'm not wrong, and since I'm using this, it's lovely. I have told you guys in my that video also that if this product will not show good results, I will go back to Dot & Key, but now I'm not going to Dot & Key because it actually very nice. I mean, if you like to compare the Dot & Key and this one, they both are really nice. They both are very good, but it will show the results in like very few months only, like in a few time only, because I've been using for the 2 months now, and it is really good. Last thing which I got is something very special, and this thing I got in the month of December, but I've been using it since January, and it's such special thing to me, I can't even tell you. Now this is the planner. This is the Alicia D'Souza planner, and this is for the 2021, and this is such a beautiful, can you see it, how colorful, how many stickers and everything, and you have so many things to write about, and so many pointers are given, so many pages are there, and it will just make your day so colorful. Now I'm the person who loves to do all these things. I really want to plan my days and to write out everything in a very detailed manner. So then I decided that I will get planner. Before this, I used to write in my notebook or in my diary for coming days, events, or anything which I have to plan for, but now I got this, and it's so beautiful, I can't even tell you guys. Now if you guys know me, I'm someone who loves to write, who loves to collect all these little things, and it's such a beautiful thing in my collection. I'm so happy. Okay, so this one I got from Amazon, and in the like December I ordered, but I received it around 10 or 12 days after. So that was a delivery thing, and the price was 700 or 1500. I don't remember. It was on sale kind of a thing also. So if you are planning and if you're thinking to do this for a next year, so yeah, you can get it. There are other kind of planners also in the market, so you can check them out also. So actually she launches her planners in the month of September or October if I'm not wrong, but that time I didn't have time to shop for all those things. So I got it in the month of December, and it's by one of the prettiest and loveliest, and I don't know what to say, kind of a buy. So yeah, these were all the things which I am been loving from the month of January. So I kind of collected all the things from all the months, and I just shown you guys in this video. So I really hope you enjoyed this videos. Do tell me in the comment section if you have tried any one of these out, and if it is your favorite too, and do suggest me for more video contents in the comment section. I would love to try your suggestions out. Alright, so with all these things, thank you so much for watching this video. Please do share this video, and also subscribe to my channel, and also you can follow me on the Instagram. So meet you soon in my next video. Till then, please take care, be in good health, and I love you guys. Bye bye, take care.